Hello and welcome to channel. In today's video I will talk about T-junction. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. The T-junction is where side road connect to the main road and it looks like letter T. That's why it's called T-junction. At the end of T-junction you will see a give way sign, which means you may need to stop to give way to the main road traffic if there is any. You will also find a stop signs on some T-junctions, which means you must stop before crossing the stop lines no matter if main road have no traffic. Stop signs are mostly where view is restricted. We call it closed junction. You will also find some T-junction without any marking, which means nobody have priority, so you will approach carefully no matter which side you are coming from. So now let me show you some example of all type of T-junctions. Now I am approaching a T-junction with give way signs. After mirror signal, I will approach to the giveaway line, and if it is open junction and I can see no one is coming, I don't need to stop, I can keep moving. There is another giveaway sign on T junction. Now I will turn right, look both sides. There is a car coming from left, so I have to stop. Now it's clear, so I can emerge to the main road. Next I will show you the stop sign on T junction. Now I am approaching another T junction with stop sign. So as I mentioned before, stop sign means no matter if main road is clear, you will must stop before the stop line completely. So you don't need to worry about looking left right when you approach a T junction with stop line. Once you stop completely, then you can edge forward and you can improve your view, because as I mentioned, mostly stop junctions are where view is restricted. So that's how you will do T junction with stop sign. Now I am approaching to unmarked T junction. This is example of unmarked T junction. So I'm going left, so as you can see there is no marking, so we don't know which road is main road, which road is side road. So we will be careful no matter which side we are coming from. That is the end of today's video. Hope you like it. If you find it helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.